Well, good morning, everyone. I'm so glad you're here with me today for Circle Time. So, let's figure out what day it is today. What was the last day we had of school? Yes, it was Tuesday, then Wednesday, then today is Thursday. That's right. Let's move that frog down to Thursday. All right, so who remembers the name of our month? Yes, it is November. So let's go ahead and count those turkey numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What comes next? 18. Okay, so brown, yellow, orange, brown, yellow. What color? Orange. So an 18 on an orange turkey. That was yesterday, a 4's class day. So 16, 17, 18. What comes next? 19. So brown, yellow, orange, brown, yellow, orange, brown. So a 19 on a brown turkey. So that's today. So let's say the whole date together. Today is Thursday, November 19th. We are, we are more than halfway through November. We are still in the month of fall. The season of fall. And remember, the holiday coming up next week is Thanksgiving. I'm so excited. I love Thanksgiving. All right, so let's figure out the weather today. So everyone should look out their window and see what the weather is like at your house. So today is the weather windy? Is it foggy? Is it stormy? Is it sunny? Is it partly cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Or is it snowy? So you look out your window and figure out what kinds of weather you see out there today. Remember, there can be more than one kind. And then we need to figure out what it feels like. What's the temperature today? So you'll have to step out for this one, right? So does it feel cool? Does it feel warm? Does it feel cold? Or does it feel hot? All right. So you can figure out the weather and the temperature at your house today. So remember, on Tuesday, we started talking about shapes. And if you came to small group on Tuesday, we did a little bit of a shape scavenger hunt. And if you come to small group today, that's what we're going to do too. All right, so we have another book. So last time we read the Square Cat book. I thought that was pretty good. It's the first year I've read that book. I have another book today, and I've read this book before. I don't remember when, but I've definitely read this book before. So let's see what it is. It's another book about shapes, right? We can kind of figure that one out. So this book is called Round is a Mooncake, a Book of Shapes. So let's see the different shapes in this book. Round is a mooncake, round is the moon, round are the lanterns outside my room. Round is a pebble that I found, a bowl of goldfish that make no sound. Round are the rice bowls in our house. Round are the eyes of my curious mouse. Round is a ball that twirls and spins, and the happy faces of boys and girls. Round are cups of jasmine tea and a table beneath a tree. What other round things do you see? Square is a checkerboard in the park. Square is not my name chops, inky mark. Square are the tofu and radish cakes. Square are the sweets the bakery makes. Square is the box that pizza comes in. You can kind of see it down here. And dim sum made by Mrs. Chin. Square is the basket where kittens sleep. Square is a box for secrets I keep. Square is a window with a view. Square is my room and my family's house, too. I can name more square things, can you? Rectangles are inking stones, paintbrush racks, and mobile phones. That's an old kind of mobile phone. This book is not a super new book. Our phones are still rectangular, aren't they now? But they look a little different than that. Popo's favorite Chinese lace, a very special pencil case. I like this one because it has chickens on it. I love chickens. Rectangles are sacks of rice. An abacus to tell the price. An abacus is something used to do math, numbers and stuff. I actually have one here at school. Oh, I'm going to sneeze. Excuse me. A puppet stage and homemade tickets. Rectangles are homes for crickets. Goodness, something's tickling my nose. Lucky money on a tree, envelopes for you and me. Rectangles are books for fun. A bed to sleep in when the day is done. Can you name another one? All right, so that is the end of our book. Round is a moon cake. All right, so I have some things to show you today. The first thing I have to show you is a shape hunt. So we have a circle, a triangle, a square, and a rectangle. And what you can do is go around your house and find things that are circles and triangles and squares and rectangles. When you find something that's a circle, you're going to draw a picture of it right here. Now, if you say, oh, I can't draw a picture of that thing, just do your best, okay? I guarantee you're a better drawer than I am. And so if you find anything that's a triangle, you'll draw it here. If you find something that's a square, you can draw it there. And if you find something that's a rectangle, you can draw it there, okay? So it's kind of like our scavenger hunt we're doing during small group time, but you're drawing the things and you can find more than one of each one. Okay, the next thing, now this is something that it's kind of copied after one of the works that we usually have out on the shelves at preschool called the Pink Tower. So in your packet, you have a paper that looks like this. Now, we did not cut these out because that would have just taken a lot longer than we needed to spend on it, okay? So you need to either cut them out yourself or have your mom and dad cut out each of these cube pictures on here, all right? So I've done that already. I have them in a baggie. Also in your packet, you have a long piece of white paper. And this is what you're going to build your pink tower on. Okay, at school our pink tower is made out of wood, and it's actual cubes, right, in different sizes, and you stack them up from biggest to smallest. You can see that on this paper. They're stacked from biggest to smallest, and that's what we're going to do with our ones here. Okay, so I'm going to take out all my pink tower cube pictures. These aren't actually cubes because they're flat, right? But they're cube pictures. And I'm going to find the biggest one. So here's the biggest one, all right? And I'm going to take my glue and put some glue on the back of it. And I'm going to put it way down at the bottom of my paper. All right, so there is my first pink tower cube. All right, then I'm going to take the next biggest one, put the glue on the back of that, and put it on top of this one. Let's see here, I'm gonna figure out how it goes here. Is this right? Yep, like, look at the picture there. Oh, I see, like that. It's a little different than doing it on with real pink tower cubes. All right, there we go. So there's my second one. Did I get that right? Oh no, I think it goes this way. There we go. That looks right. Take me a minute to figure this out. There we go. Okay, that looks right. So there's my second one. Okay. Next biggest one. I'm going to put glue on the back of it. And I think I got it this, nope, this way. Okay. So actually a little trickier than doing the actual cubes. There we are. All right. And the next one, put glue on the back. So there are 10 of these. Montessori materials tend to have 10 of a lot of different things. So let's see how it goes this way. There we go. And the next biggest one. I think I'm going to just do the whole thing to show you here, because normally I would show you the whole pink tower at school. I wouldn't just do part of it. So, let's see here. There's the next one. Hopefully we have enough room here. I didn't really test the space out. Looks like we probably do. And the next one, you can see how it's going from biggest to smallest as we go up, right? It's getting there. Need a little more glue under this one. There we go. All right, next biggest one. Ah. All right. We're almost to the top. We have 3 left. All right, next biggest one. Oop. It looks like we're gonna have just enough room for the ones that we have here. Next one. Now they're getting kind of small now. Kind of tricky to get on there. The hardest one to put on the real pink tower is the very top tiny cube. It's the hardest one. There's that one. And one more. This is the T91. This is the hardest one to get on the real thing. And there you have it. A whole pink tower made on paper. All right. Now, if you want, you can do this without gluing it down, so you can do it more than one time. We've talked about that with other work, right? You can do it without glue, practice stacking it up more than one time, and you're gonna make sure to write your name on the paper, right? All right, so there's our pink tower, and that is what I have to show you today. I hope you have a great day. I will see some of you today at small group time, and maybe some of you tomorrow for packet pickup. But if I don't, I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you next week at circle time, all right? And today is Thursday. Yep, all right, so next week at circle time, all right? Bye, everyone.